Hey guys, if you find out the 70 mile dash cam you bought don't have many manual instruction, you can scan the QR code and then they will bring you here. And then this one is the one hardwire I mentioned many times in my video for parking one. So you need to connect to the fuse box or that. So you can see fuse box as I mentioned, hardwire. So you need to buy it and then you need to do the installation, but it's not simple. And then you can see they ask you to get a professional. They are not responsible if anything short circuit. Yeah. So you can go to this link if you want. I can provide you. Then you can read slowly. So this one is the real camera which I show you in my video as well. And then this one you need to work together with the main one. Okay. So everything, introduction, usage, installation, troubleshooting, how to stick, everything they show here. Yeah, need to stick properly. And then here is the troubleshooting example, why don't image all that. So you can find out here, unless something very special, not state here. Okay. And then yeah, this is the normal guide. Other than that, hardwire, real camera, still have many others topic. Okay.